Okay, welcome to today's tutorials. Thank you so much for your patience and your time. Thank you so much for choosing to come to learn how to create flyers from me. So on this video, I'll be giving you very simple steps on how you can create your flyers and also do logos, design logos. Okay, with this video, I'm very sure at the end of this video you'll be able to create flyers for yourself and probably flyers to market your business. And for those of you that would want to take it up as a profession, there are ways also that you can also um learn more on how to design professional flyers. Okay, but for your business and for your own self-consumption, the videos that I'll be sharing with you on these tutorials will give you so much insight on how you can start creating flyers. Okay, all right, let's dive right in. Hello and welcome. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create flyer. Okay, normally I use two different apps to create flyer. One is the Pixel Lab. On Pixel Lab, it has a very clean interface that you just have to start your creation by yourself. Okay, everything that is in your mind is what you can create on Pixel Lab. I recommend using Pixel Lab to design logo and other stuff. But for flyer, I would always say you should use your Canva app. Canva, you can use your either Canva Pro or Canva or your normal Canva. The normal Canva you don't have to pay, but for Canva Pro you have to pay a certain amount of money for every year to access Canva Pro. Now the difference between Canva Pro and Pixel Lab is Canva already rather has already made templates that you can just select from and just work with. Okay, when you are creating your design, especially if you want to create for somebody, you don't just come to Canva and select any let's say a template, and you just, let's say for instance somebody wants you to create a flyer for them and you just walk into Canva, your Canva app, and you are just creating. You just pick up a particular template and what you just did is to just change the write up and you're delivering the job just like that without actually doing some very nice touches. It will make your job very unprofessional. Okay, so let's look at this particular flyer that we have here and let's see what we can turn it into. Okay, it's a very simple flyer and it says live webinar and blah blah blah. Okay, I just want to work with this. First, I want to replace the picture because that picture there is not my picture, so I can use my picture or the picture of my clients. Okay, I can use the picture of my clients in that place instead of using the normal white woman picture that was there. So I select this picture. What I clicked was replace. To change that picture, I clicked here, replace. Okay, I clicked on replace and it actually brought me to this place, and this place had the person's name. Okay, so let me change it. One thing that you need to know about creating any form of graphics at all is it happens in your mind. It happens in your mind first. You need to be creative in your mind for you to be able to achieve anything at all. Okay, if you are not creative, you end up not doing anything nice. I don't like the font that was used earlier, so I'm going to change the font to something I like. So to change font, sorry I didn't show you that. To change font, you just click on font. Okay, or maybe I should run us on all the templates that are available here. Now this is edit. What edit does, it when you click on edit, it edits whatever thing that it helps you to write, to make a note. Okay, it shows you your keyboard and helps you to make a note. Okay, now this plus sign brings you to an interface like this, where you have design, elements, text, gallery, brand, upload, draw, and project. Okay, for this tutorial, the three things that we are going to be using are element, text, and gallery. Okay, element, text, and gallery. Those are the three things we'll be using in this tutorial. Now, how did I change this picture? I clicked on replace. Okay, I clicked on replace. When I clicked on replace, it took me here where I selected the picture I wanted to replace. Okay, I can also add picture by clicking on the plus sign and going to gallery. Okay, I can also add picture like that, but in this case I just clicked on replace. Also, color. Now, when you are selecting anything, make sure that you know what you are doing. For instance, this is what I selected and I want to change the color. Okay, did you notice any change? Did you notice any change? Okay, let's say this particular place now I want to change. Did you see that I just changed the color to my face? Now, in case you make a mistake and you want to go back, there's this arrow here that takes you back. Okay, there's the arrow there that takes you back. Once you click it, it will take you back. All right, okay, now I just highlighted on the frame and I want to change the frame color. I want to change the frame color. But let's forget that for now. I want to change the frame color to something else. Let's say I want to use this, or I want to use that. Did you see? I just changed the frame color. I can also decide that I don't kukuma want any frame pata. So what I will just do is to delete. I just deleted the frame. I don't want that frame at all. Okay, I don't want that frame at all, so I just deleted the frame. And let's say I just want to use my stuff here, and I don't like the shape that this thing is giving me. So I want to change the shape. So I will just click on elements. And I want to change into triangle, so I'll click here. Now I'm just going to delete what I have here already. Delete frame. Then I'll bring in my new frame. Then I'll click on replace. That's the shortest cut to get picture. Okay, do you see? Can you see that now? So I just did that. Let's say I no kuku like what this thing is giving me, so I'm gradually turning what we had here before into something else. Can you see that? All right, so I just still want to do something else. I want to add shapes. This is shapes. Yeah, those are shapes. I want to add shapes. My phone is almost dead. I want to add shapes. I want to put a shape. I'm not about to do the shape. Forgive me. All these are for the purpose of this tutorial. Let me see what I can find. Let's say I want to add graphics. See, I want to add graphics. What graphics can I add? What graphics can I add there? You can search, okay? You can search. You can search as many as possible. So let's say I want to use a paint stroke brush. Okay. I think I've seen something I like. I want to get this here. Like I said earlier, change color. Like I said earlier, it's a matter of what your mind can do. Okay? It's a matter of what your mind can do. It's a matter of what your mind can do. Whatever you can think in your mind, you can create. Okay? Whatever you can think in your mind, you can create. So let's say I don't like that font, so I want to work on another font. Oof. You see all these other fonts that are pro and blah blah blah. You see those fonts? They are for pro. I've paid for my pro so I can access them. I've paid my subscription so I can access them. So if you want to use your pro, you can pay for it and access all the pro fonts. Okay, so that's that basically. So now let's see. Okay, I think I would prefer this font. Yeah, I think I prefer that font. Can you see? Can you just see what I just did in that small space? Nobody will even believe that this thing was that first thing that we saw. Okay, so now let's say I don't like this particular inside. It's looking too busy for me and I want to change the color. Creativity comes in. Can you see that? I can change it to this. I can change it to this. I can change the entire background. Okay, I can change the entire background. I can change the entire background, but let's leave it like the way it was for now. Don't have too much time to start doing all that, but you can change the whole background. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's change the whole background. Let's change the whole background. So that you will see what I'm talking about. Great. Do you see? Do you see? I just removed that. Did you just see what I did? I just removed everything that had to do with that other background that was inside there. Do you understand? I just changed everything. I just changed everything about it. This thing, can you see that? Can you see that? I've changed everything. Now let's say I want to add picture to the background. I want to put a picture to the background. What I'll just do is replace. I'll click on replace. Let me find the picture I want to use in the background. Find the picture I want to use in the background. Let me just use this picture. Can you see? Now, transparency. Can you see? Can you see what I just did? Can you see what I just did? Can you see what I just did? Can you see that? I just changed the background. I just changed the background. Okay. Now, for this write-up, I don't need it, so I deleted it. This laptop, let's say WhatsApp class. Okay, let's say free. I want to add text. You click on text. My battery is almost dead, 5%. Let's click on text. Free flyer tutorial. Okay. Free flyer tutorial. The font size, you can increase or reduce font size. You can change format. You can make it like this. You can make it like this, or anyhow you want to do it. That's for format. This is for spacing. In case this is for line spacing. This is for letter spacing. Do you understand? This is for letter spacing. And then this is for style, heading, subheading, body. Okay, you can, if you turn it to body, you see it becomes more subheading, and then this is heading. Okay, we are using heading in this case. All right, so what else did I need to show you people? Okay, format. You can make it bold or unbold. You can make it italic. You can underline or under. You can cross it. You can leave it. You can change it to capital letter. You can leave it. Okay, in this case I want to leave it in capital letter, so because it's scattered, that's the main reason I want to leave it in capital letter. So format, let's take it back to where it was before. Okay, now you see that it's italic and it's scattered, and is capital letter rather, is italic and it's capital letter. So for me to put this thing back in shape, I need to reduce font size. Now there is another write-up here. Let's edit it. Put time. Let's put time 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, because we can't see, because for now that thing is too small, we make it bigger. We change the font to something more bold. 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's rest. Then what again do we add? Okay, we don't need to add anything. I hope you understand what I have just done. You input your phone number, and you can always click on what you want to change and change the phone number. Okay, you can always click on what you want to click. Let's say I want to change this phone number. I'll just click here, edit, and I can change the phone number. I can change the phone number to whatever thing I want to change the phone number to. Do you understand? I can also copy this, paste it here, delete it, copy it again, paste it here. Do you understand? This is me now. I don't want to start writing plenty things. Do you understand? I can impute shapes. I can impute any form of shape I want to impute. Okay, so basically this is it generally. Delete. Maybe I see something I don't want that was already existing, I delete it. Then how to place it, you just drag and take it to where you want to take it to. Okay, just drag and take it to where you want to take it to. Drag any text at all you want to drag and take it anywhere you want to take it to. Basically, it's about tutorial, so it's about creativity. So for this class, the assignment I'll be giving you is create a flyer and send it to me on my DM. Okay, let me see what you have actually come up, what you have actually imagined and created. So after you finish creating, you click here, save as image. Okay, you save as image. It's saving now. That's it. You'll find it in your gallery after you have saved it. Okay, so let me show you a couple of flyers that I had made in the past before now. I don't know if I showed you in the beginning of this video, but let me still show you so that you can take a clue from it. Okay, let me go to my gallery to show you a couple of flyers that I had made before now. Now this is the one we just did. I did this by myself. I had to think it out. This one, if you notice, it has my name. I did it by myself. Can you see? I did this by myself also. I designed this. A lot more. My phone space, I designed this. My phone space will not be enough to actually carry a lot of them that I have made before, so I delete them most of the time. Okay, I designed this. This is a flyer also. I designed it. All right, there are lots of them that I had done before. Look at this one. Like I said, my phone space will not be enough to be saving all of them, but it's about creativity. You can always think of something. Do you see how the write-ups are very, very pronounced and clear? Okay, you can always create and do something. Just think until your mind is able to capture out something that you want to do. I just showed you the template on how you can use it to create. That was how we managed to come up with this. Okay, but hope you can see the ones that I've done before. I created this, so you can always do it by yourself. So the assignment that I give is create something using Canva. Create a flyer using Canva app, be it Pro or the normal Canva. Download your Canva from Play Store and create something. Send it to me via WhatsApp. Let me see what you have come up with. All right, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye. All right, welcome. On this particular video, I'll be showing you how to remove background from any picture at all. Let's say you were doing a flyer and you needed a particular picture to use on your flyer, but all the pictures you have has a very thick background. Okay, has thick background, but you want something that you can just place in and without altering anything. Normally, you're supposed to use your Adobe Store if you have a laptop, but since we are using our smartphone for all the designs that we are doing, I'll just show you a very simple way that you can remove background without issues, okay, and without losing the picture quality. You go to your browser and you type remove.bg. okay, you type remove.bg. Do you get? Then go. It brings you to an interface like this where you can upload image. Click on upload image. It brings you to another face like this where you have different image that you would want to upload. But in case you come here and you don't find the image that you want to remove the background, don't panic. Just click on browse. When you click on browse, it will show you other photos that you can remove that are in your phone already, that you already have on your phone. So if you don't see the image that you still want, you can click on image. It will bring you to this particular face where all your folders are named and outlined in a way that you can just pick any one. Okay, let's say the picture that I want to remove I want to remove the background today is on Instagram. I have the I uploaded the picture on Instagram, so I have the picture on my Instagram. This is a file rather. Okay, so now this is it. Can you see it has removed the background of the picture for me? And on this particular site, you can do a lot of things, a lot of other things than just removing background. You can decide to change the background of the picture. Let's say you don't want the background that you had on the previous picture, you want to probably blur it like a portrait. You see, you can blur it, you can blur the background, you can change the background entirely from one color to another color. Okay, you can add plenty other effects. You can add plenty effects. There are different effects on this particular site where you can use to change the background of your picture. It's quite slow, network is slow, but that's not what we are here for. That's not what we are here for. We just want to remove background for our picture. Okay, we just want to remove background for our picture. So after the background is removed, you can now download. I've downloaded this picture several times, so I'll just download again for the purpose of these tutorials. It's downloaded and they say open. Okay, let's go to my photos so that you can see what we have just done to that picture. Okay, I hope you are catching up and hope I'm not too fast. All right, so this is a download. You find it on download. Once you finish it, to be on a particular file called download. Now this is the picture that we remove background for. Can you see it doesn't have background again? Let me take it to any of my creating app. Let's say I want to use it on Pixel Lab. Okay, let's see, from gallery. I will have to export it from gallery. That picture is not here now, so I will just go to download. Okay, this is it. So here we have it without background. Can you see? Let's say there was a write-up and you just want to put your picture in between the write-up. Can you see? Can you just see what I'm doing? Can you see? Yeah, it works. You can shape it in any form that you want. Okay, so let me still show you that same picture with the background so that you see. I did not say your background is bad though. Your background is very good, but not every time you want to use it's not every time that you want to use a picture that has background to create your flyer. Okay, it's not every time you want to use a picture that has background to create your flyer. That's it. So now this is it. This is the same picture. You see, no quality lost. Picture is still the same. The only difference is one has background and one doesn't have background. So this is how simple it is. You have just succeeded in removing the background without going through any form of stress. Let me show you the difference. Now this picture was taken at a wedding. This particular picture that I've removed background for was taken at a wedding, and this is how the picture looks. This is how the picture looked. Okay, I liked it. I wanted to use it for a particular, I wanted to use it to create this, so I had to remove the background. Can you see? Can you see it doesn't have background and it was looking very fine on this artwork? Now let's see that particular picture we just removed background for. Can you see where I used it? See how good it's looking. Now this is when I used it with the background. Can you see how it's looking? Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? It's still good though. It still looks fine. It still looks okay, but it would have been better without the background. Okay, so that's just how to simply remove background for pictures. I hope you learned something. Look at this. Look at this. I hope you learned something today. All right, thank you for watching. Okay, I hope you found this video quite useful. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do, and leave me a thumbs up so that I will know you appreciate what I did. And also at this point, the comment section will be open on the WhatsApp DM, so you can ask questions that you have to ask. And for those of us that are interested to take this graphic designing to the next level, there are courses that are available for you to further with. Okay, so if you are interested to further your graphic design, there's a particular course that is available for you to do. I will be showing you that on the next slide, and I will show you the link to where you can get it. It's on Digistem, you can get it there. Okay, all right, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching this live tutorial. I love you and I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.